Hello everyone, introducing our new portable Hydro DES Pro series. It is a very compact, lightweight and easy to carry model. You can easily carry them anywhere. The best part of this unit is that it doesn't require any electric supply. It is fully pneumatically operated, which make it very much safer than any other electrically operated plunger pumps. The other additional benefit of this unit is it comes with a pre-filling pump which will quickly fill the water in a big volumes. Now let's just move forward towards its demo. So this is our Hydro Test Pro series. Here it's a control panel, and at the back side you will see there are input ports given. Here you have to give the water inlet. In this you have to give 6 to 8 bar pneumatic air, and this is the release port of the system. Now in the control panel you will see few components. This is the detain valve which will help you to switch between the pre-filling and the pressure generation system. This is the master pressure gauge of the system. Here you will connect the pressure gauge which will show you the output of the system. This is the pressure regulator. You can slowly rotate it and it will increase the pressure. Here it will show the drive air of the system. This is the input hydro pressure gauge. In this you will see how much input pressure is generated by the system. And this is the release valve. After completing you just have to open this release valve. Here it's a single output of pre-filling and pressure both. This will reduce your time to interchanging the hose pipe for pre-filling and pressure generation. As you can see, we have given all the inputs to the system. Here we have given 6 to 8 bar air. From here we have connected a water inlet, and this is the release code of the system. On the control panel, as you can see, we have connected our master pressure gauge on the master gauge code. Now let's start this system. For that you just have to shift this detain valve towards the pre-filling side. Then you have to slowly rotate this regulator. As you can see, the air pressure is showing in the air inlet gauge. You can see on the output how quickly the water is coming out. So this pre-filling pump will quickly fill a big volume. Once the pre-filling is done, shift this detain towards the stop side and close this regulator. Right now for the demo purpose we are closing this outlet valve. Now we will generate the pressure. For that we will switch this detain towards the hydro side. Then we will slowly rotate this regulator. See, very quickly the pressure is generated up to 100 bar. Let me just take it to 200. As you can see, the 200 bar pressure is generated in the system very quickly. You can see that same pressure in the master gauge port. So within few seconds the pressure is generated up to 200 bar. Once the testing is done, switch the detain towards the stop side, close this regulator. To release the pressure, just open this release valve. It will release the pressure of the system. So as you have seen, this hydro test unit, it is very simpler and it makes your hydro testing very much faster. This single Hydro Test Pro series can replace your pre-filling pump, hand pump and electrically operated plunger pumps. So what you are waiting for? Send your inquiries for Hydro Test Pro series right now.